Ever wonder why your Facebook ads aren't bringing in cleaning leads, even though it seems like you've tried everything? It's usually not Facebook's fault. It's the strategy behind it. Most cleaning ads fail because they're too generic. They all say the same things: affordable, reliable, professional, and they blend in with everyone else. Or they're targeting the wrong people, sending clicks to a website page that doesn't match the ad, or they aren't spending enough to actually learn what works. The fix? Get specific. Speak to one type of customer, use real photos and testimonials, and make sure your ad provides a simple, clear next step. And remember to follow up fast. A lead you call an hour later might already be gone. Here's a few additional pro tips we use at 5 Door Media. First, test simple videos with people from your company. Authenticity builds trust. Second, use the 5 Door method to diagnose where you're stuck. Walk through platform, creative, targeting, ad engagement, and sales. Third, introduce an offer. Facebook ads are interruptive marketing, so give people a reason to act now. Fourth, make it easy to contact you. The more clicks it takes, the fewer leads you'll get. Facebook ads can work for cleaning businesses, but only when they're built around real people and real strategies.